What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today I'm going to make for you the La Floridita Daiquiri number 3, more commonly known as the Hemingway Daiquiri. This daiquiri was created at the La Floridita bar in Havana, Cuba, and it was made for Ernest Hemingway, purportedly because Hemingway had an aversion to sugar. Some people say he's diabetic, but there's a pretty good amount of sugar in alcohol, so I'm just going to say that he had an aversion to sugar. And that's what I got for you on it. Some people make this as a frozen daiquiri, and that's kind of where the whole idea of frozen daiquiris with crushed ice and then put in a blender came from. We're going to make this in a classic style. First thing we're going to do is 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, followed by ½ an ounce of lime juice. Okay. And then 3/4 of an ounce of maraschino liqueur from Luxardo. This is what I normally use. And 1½ ounces of rum. Today we're using plantation pineapple. We are not using Cuban rum. And that's okay. I like plantation in this drink. We're going to take our big tin, put our ice in it. And we're going to combine our cocktail and put it in our tin. Lock our tins together and give it a good shake. And I am going to go get my fine strainer because I want to fine strain this cocktail. And it was in the sink, but the sink's behind me, so why not? Here we go. We're just going to strain this through a fine strainer, get all those nice ice chips out. Now, I did a little bit of a bad job on the wash line here. Typically, this wash line should be a little bit lower than this, but since we're making a drink for ourselves, you'll forgive me. The same way you forgive me for coughing in the mint julep episode. Well, some of you did anyway. So there you have it, the Hemingway Daiquiri. Now let's taste this bad boy as I dramatically pull my hair back and see what it tastes like. I'm going to get this hair out of my face. Thank you. Yeah. It is very dry on the finish, and you get the grapefruit right up front. The lime juice adds like a dash of more acidity, and you really get that Luxardo. The Luxardo is kind of a polarizing. The maraschino liqueur just in general is kind of a polarizing ingredient. Some people really love it, some people don't. I really like it, and coupled with the grapefruit, it really lends for this very nice kind of dry, citrusy, acidic sort of flavor that is just really pleasant. So this is definitely one of those nice drinks for like a hot day. I know we're coming to the fall, but it's still pretty hot in LA, so drink this one, and if you're living on the East Coast and it's cold over there, put on the heat lamps, put on some shades and a Hawaiian shirt, and have a La Floridita Daiquiri number 3 or the Hemingway Daiquiri with us. See you next time.